I don't know if I'll fit there. So I'm at the Scenic Caves Nature Adventure in the Blue Mountain region of the Bruce Peninsula. Looking forward to see the caves. It's a gorgeous day once again. My god. Caves lookout, and there's apparently it's the longest suspension bridge. I don't know if it's in North America or, I heard about that. I just read about that this morning when I was looking at things to do on Google, and they mentioned that place that I didn't know about, and yeah, looking forward to see. So far looks good, very well maintained. Let's go hit the trails. I hope this is not what they meant by waterfall, because it looks like everything except a waterfall. It's just a stream going out of the rocks. Yeah, I guess it was the waterfall. Maybe during springtime or after some heavy rain it's a bit more like a waterfall, but not today. Here's a first glimpse of the suspension bridge. On a clear day you can see 10,000 square kilometers. It is a clear day, so I'm expecting to see the lake. You can pause the video if you want to read the whole thing. I guess they just describe the process to building it. Two crew members swaying gently 25 meters above the valley floor. Okay. So here's the bridge. I want to know the length of the bridge. I'm surprised I don't. Oh, okay. See, that's what I read this morning. 126 meters, so 413 feet. This is the longest suspension footbridge in southern Ontario, not North America. Okay, makes sense. So this looks more like a waterfall to me, even though it's not natural. It's beautiful. I mean, it is very well maintained. No complaints about that. Oh wow. I hope it swings a little bit. .413 feet. I expect the bridge to swing a little bit. Oh yeah, you can see the lake very well. Very well. I mean, you cannot ask for a better day than today. Not too windy. Look at this beautiful scenery. When you stop walking, you can feel that it's swinging, but it's not that bad. Of course, if I'm alone on the bridge, so that doesn't help. If there was lots of people, that would make a big difference. Look at the size of this cable, man. That thing is not gonna fall. It is built solid. So the view here, the lake you see here is Lake Huron, Huron. And the Bruce Peninsula, if I'm not mistaken, will be further down that way. And this is where I'm gonna head after that, to see the national park. Wow, this is amazing. I like it. It doesn't look to be in operation, but that's a zip line aside from the parking lot. Another extremely good viewpoint here. The view from the zip line must be awesome. It's going all the way down. I see the platform down there. Council Chamber. The view is great here. The caves are right down there, so this is where I'm heading at next.
Go further down. Maybe that's a little better. Wow. Feels like we're in a movie. I know, you can feel the rocks, huh?
So this is
That is amazing.
the water. Well, watch your head there.
Oh yeah, watch your head. Oh no.
Excuse me. Move out of the way, rock.
So, okay, I'll tell you what a crevice is. Come.
Wait, Mom. Sorry if I'm slowing down. I do not like these things. These ones. Yay, Mom's climbing mode.
I'm gonna take a video of you entering that.
Oh, actually, do
Actually,
This is the little bridge I just crossed
okay,
earlier.
go.
Okay, when you come down, please be very careful. So, I'm gonna get down first. And I'll
Oh yeah, I got the other one.
Oh man. Storage low.
Huh?
Low storage.
No.
I gotta delete some videos.
Tight squeeze. God. Nice. If that rock falls on me, I'm history.
Actually?
Not like a strong one, but,
But is there? Huh? It's like
it's off and on.
it's just dehydrated.
That's tight. Tight squeeze.
No, like it felt weird to me.
There's like a really tight crust. It's like a tight squeeze and then it comes a little bit narrow.
I like it. This is cool. This is very cool.
I'm very tight space and I want to go. I know, but I got to fix my gear, you know? Fast, right?
Yeah.
Hold on, let him go first.
Let me go last. Let me go last.
Oh my god. I don't know if I'll fit there.
I need proper shoes and then I'll do it.
No, There's no way. I cannot fit through that.
There's gonna be a next time.
It's way too tight. And I have my backpack on me.
Not here, but over there you got it.
Well, I tried.
I don't want to do that.
Mommy, come in here.
I don't fit, but you can try it out. It's really tight. You will probably fit. I don't.
You can't fit there.
So, whoops. That means if I didn't fit, does that mean I'm a fat man? Damn, my backpack. All right. So, I'm a fat man. That's the conclusion I get.
Yeah, let's do it again. You likes it.
Then I have to hold all this stuff.
I can hold some.
No, you cannot hold it here and here. You have extra space.
That was fun. I definitely didn't fit. And I mean, not even close. My shoulders are too wide. So this is where you should exit. Can you believe that? It's impossible to fit there. A kid will do. Or a skinny person. Man, these rocks are slippery. I can't imagine if it's raining. It would be extremely dangerous. And I'm wearing hiking shoes too. Oh, there's another cave there. This one looks to be bigger. And I don't see any other way around, so I guess it's perfectly fine. This is cool. Didn't know what to expect from that place, but so far I'm very impressed. Surpassed my expectations. Some very beautiful carving there. Beautiful. I like it. That's nice. Well done. Gazon Trail, short crevasse. Cool. Okay, yeah. It is short, but nice. Reminds me a little bit of the Slot Canyon you can walk in Utah or Arizona. I also walked a couple pretty cool one in Jordan. So I had a very good time here at Scenic View Nature Adventures. It's a beautiful park, very well maintained, but it's more family oriented, so the trails are kind of easy. So if you're looking for more challenging trails, this is not the place for you. But I would say that the suspended bridge is pretty cool, the views are great, but the caves are worth the admission price. It is a lot of fun. So, and it's cool because it's on your way to Bruce Peninsula, so you can stop by, spend a couple hours here, and then be on your way to Bruce Peninsula. Speaking about Bruce Peninsula, this will be my next stop, so we'll see you there tomorrow. Take care.